Welcome back guys to our tutorials. Today we'll be starting with new lecture about hashing include iStream using namespace and entmy, that why it's necessary to use in programming as a header that we are saying it. So let's jump into VS Code. So we are going for VS Code here. Shortcut key for new file was Control N, as we mentioned in our previous lecture. I'm clicking a new file, so I'm saving it. The shortcut key for saving was Control S, so I'm saving it as I made a file in my desktop, my CPP. I'm giving the name p2.cpp. Any name you want, you can give it. So let's write the basics. I include iStream using namespace std and mine. So here we go. Before that, I will tell you that I made some slides so you can use this, and as well it would be more helpful for you to take notes from that. So here I include iStream. So this is the preprocessor detective. It tells the processor to include the contents of iStream header file in the program before compilation, and this file is required for input and output statements. So without that, the program will not recognize a cin or cout. We would be seeing it forward in our program. So as well, and I'm talking about using namespace std. So here I mentioned that would be discussed later. So because for some beginners they might be so confused in that, so I will tell that the using namespace statement just means in the scope it's present and make all things under std namespace available without having any prefix. So you would be moving forward these things, and as well the last one, the mine. So the main function is responsible to begin the program. It means the program start from here to here, or from here it include body of our program. So whatever we are writing in whatever we are including and what we are writing about, so we are writing it in main. So out of that, so the program will not recognize it and it will not work. So let's jump into the VS Code. So today I would be writing a simple program here. So let's write cout. Welcome to our program, and semicolon. Let's take and text. Don't be confused. If for the beginner it would be as well so much tough to understand this, but would be familiar with that, and you will understand that what are the meanings of that. So I'm taking as well. I'm writing a message like here. I can say that like what to say. Enter a number nx. Enter a number and x. Endl. Endl is using for end line. So let's take cn. In mean console input x. So here iStream, I means this I for console input cn, and we are using o here for cout. It means input output stream. So here I'm writing after this that show me that cout x is equal to x. So I'm going to run this program. Before running, don't forget to save the file. I'm using the shortcut key Ctrl S. I'm running the program. Here, enter a number and x. I'm writing here like 43, 343. X is 343. So here, that's a simple program that here we are using simple output in our CN or cout. So let's wipe this, delete this. So I'm going to delete that file. So I'm saving it now. So the compiler will not recognize that here we are having multiple errors. So I'm going to come back the file. So I'm again saving it. And I'm running back the program. Come on. Save the file and run the program. What is the issue? So we are coming in our VS Code, saving the file again. Cannot find an error here. Let's come back. Here we are having enter a number and x. So we are entering 22. So here x is equal to 22. So without this library, it's not possible to recognize the files. So this was a simple program. Practice, practice, and practice. And as well, I will say to you that we will be always focusing on more on working, not that much on reading slides or much things. You can find these slides from internet, from anywhere, but the practice will make you more strong and more fluent in your programming. So hope you guys did learn something from the video. If any problem that you're having it, mention it in the comment. So good luck up to next lesson.